Well, hey folks, how's it all going? Oh man, 6 degrees. And you're gonna use the Blackstone? Are you crazy? That's just nuts. Let's get it fired up, see if we can make some breakfast in the land of grills. All right, a while back, my neighbors gave me some thick cut bacon. This stuff is really, man, look, that's thick cut. So we're gonna get that on there, and because it's 6 degrees, you know what? We're gonna cover it. We're gonna cheat, we're gonna cover it a little bit. I'll tell you what, we're also gonna do some pancakes. So let's see if this little Blackstone Tailgater can cook when it's 6 degrees. Pancakes, anybody? Oh, hungry Jack! I'll tell you what. This is the one where you just mix with water. No eggs, no milk, no nothing. Super simple. Gonna be delicious. All right. So for thick cut bacon, folks, if you have some sort of, I'm using one of my smashers as a bacon press to try and get it down so it doesn't curl up so much, so you get better bacon. You may be asking about what these things are. I made some windshields, wind guards, oh Christ, over a year ago. And they fit on the back, but they also, because I got the wind coming at me this direction today, so it fits on the front too, so it keeps on getting the wind in at those flames. And that's the only drawback to the, the Blackstone doesn't really have very good when it struggles when it's windy out. So I built these, and it makes all the difference in the world, folks. And keeps the heat where it belongs and doesn't allow the wind to get underneath the flame there and cool the bottom side of the griddle down. So bacon's coming along real nice. Give you a look-see. All right, bacon's off. I'll show you the final product here. Got things cleaned up, and we've got our Hungry Jack pancake mix. All right, these won't take long. Give you a look-see. Keep watching. Keep on watching. All right, so they're starting to bubble a little bit. And we're just gonna, and you're wondering what I put down there. I didn't really put anything down there. I'm just using the bacon grease. So this one's maybe needs a little bit more time. So just give it another 30 seconds or so, then we'll give them a flip. All right, we'll give them a flip here. Just like that. That's pretty nice. Give you a look-see once we take them off, folks. Oh man, I'm getting hungry. There it is, folks, our Hungry Jack, and I even got a Hungry Jack syrup. Look at that bacon. Oh man, a little crisp to it. That's good stuff right there. Sometimes, I'm not much of a breakfast person, but there are times where breakfast is just it. It really is. And we got the Hungry Jack. On a cold winter's morning, that's well worth it. Tom Horseman YouTube, folks. Hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe. Take care, folks.